if you told that's a one-line trick using bit manipulation that solves the problem instantly. Let's crack, find the difference in the smallest way possible. Hello everyone, myself Priya, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we solve 389, find the difference. We're solving a super important problem solving question, find the difference in CPP. You will learn here clean logic, exotic, why it's worth, interview explanation. Here, given two string S and T. String T is created by shuffling S and adding one extra character. Our task is to find the extra character. So here given an input S equal to ABCD and T equal to ABCDE. Here output is E. Here E is the letter that was added. Here given another example s equal to empty string and t equal to y. Here output is y. Here y is extra base. Our approach to solve this question. Use frequency count or sorting. It's take extra base needed and slightly slower. So optimal approach is here's XOR property. Same value cancel out. So if we XOR all the character of both string, only the extra character remains. So let's start the code. First we take character result equal to 0. Then we run for loop for character C first S1. Then we take result XOR equal to C. After that we take another for loop for character T C for T1. So here result also XOR equal to C. After that we return the result one. So return result. Here it's check which is extra one that which are same one that removes and which extra one that result to sin. Here given example is ABCD and T equal to ABCD means here ABCD and T1 is ABCD is same but E is extra, then output is extra one. It help us to remove duplicate one and find the unique one. Here we run the code. Here given example cases are pass. Now we try run the code. So here we step one. We take n. Here as we take equal to given A B C D. After that another T equal to given A B D C given here DCE. After that step 1, first we take here step XOR A, then we write result equal to 0 means here result 0 XOR A means here answer is A. After that we take XOR V. So here XOR B. Then here XOR A and B. Here XOR A XOR B. Here result is AB. Here result is A. Here result is A XOR B. After that, here as C, then here write XOR C. So here operation is A XOR B XOR C. After that, here result also A XOR B XOR C. After that, we check XOR D. Here XOR D. Then we write here. Then we write here operation A XOR B XOR C XOR D. Here is result also. Here result also A XOR B XOR C XOR D. After that we go T1. There XOR. Here first start XOR A. Here XOR A. Here XOR A is duplicate one, means here operation is cutted form. So here we write B XOR C XOR D. Then result also B B XOR C XOR D. After that we are given as B1 in T. Then we write XOR B. So here B is another repeated. So we cut it form. Then we write C XOR D. Here result also C C XOR D. After that we seen D1. So here XOR D. So here D is repeated. So we write here C. Here result also C. C. After that we take XOR C1. Here C also repeated. So here write a C1. So here empty space. Here also empty space. After that removing remaining one is E. Then our final answer is then our final uh, then final answer is remaining one E. It's a extra one, that unique one from S. Now we submitted the code. It 54 test cases are passed. Here, time complexity of this question is OFN and base complexity of this question is OF1. Uh, Here, XOR is powerful for comparison problems. No extra memory needed. Work in one pass. If you understand this, you have learned a powerful bit manipulation trick. Like the video, subscribe for more coding, comment XOR master. Next video is single number problem, another exam based question. Keep coding, keep improving. See you in the next time.